Hello again. Continuing from the first video, I omitted to show you the machine actually doing something, so I'm going to try and cut a piece. It's really a piece of very hard, I don't know what it is, but it's probably about older than me, and it's really hard. I've never used the machine for this sort of work before, it's only just some light work, but I'm going to try it now and see, hopefully, if it will actually cut through here without too much of a problem. I'll just see what it's going to do. Yeah, that really is hard. I wouldn't over explaining the machine now to see if you get any edge on it. Yeah, there we go, lovely edge on that. That's really a hard piece of stuff, that is. And as you can see, you can have both the machines working at the same time, using the double belt system. So as you can see, both the machines are belted up. Planer and saw both working together, and all in all, like I said before, great little machine, do exactly what we want, put up to 2 3/8 inch. Not too much of a problem at all. The half horsepower motor's got plenty of it's got plenty of power, so it will take it through and do anything you want. Anyway, I hope that was a little bit interesting, and yeah, that's it, and thanks for looking again.